The German Shepherd, strong, loyal and one of the smartest dogs in the world. But did you know where it really comes from? This incredible breed originates from Germany, more precisely from the region of Thuringia and Württemberg. At the end of the 19th century, a breeder named Max von Stephanitz wanted to create a perfect working dog, and he succeeded. German Shepherds are extremely intelligent, eager to learn and social. They love tasks, challenges and a human they can trust. This is not a dog that just walks alongside you. He wants to be a true partner. If you have a German Shepherd, you get pure energy. He needs daily exercise, mental challenges and a close bond with his family. Training is not optional, it's a must. In return, you get loyalty, protection and love on a truly special level. It's no wonder that you see German Shepherds working with the police, rescue teams or as therapy dogs. They are brave, sensitive and can read people better than you might think. The German Shepherd is more than just a dog. He's a loyal partner for life. Have you ever had a German Shepherd or do you know one? Write it in the comments. I'm curious to hear. Your support matters.